Hi, this is Mona for Heffy Doodle, and today I am going to show you how I created this super card. For this project, I will use this superhero image from the Superdudes Dies set by Heffy Doodle, as well as some envelopes from the Yappy Happy Mail, this rainbow from the Fluffy Puffy unicorns, and my favorite star from the Oceans of Love stamp sets. I stamped the mentioned images with black alcohol marker friendly ink pad called Jack Black. After the stamping, I give a quick heat set to the stamped images to prevent ink smearing. Now the images are ready for coloring. When I am coloring, I am starting with the darkest color and continuing to the lightest one. This way I can create precise color blending, but if I want to have a more contrasted look, I need to repeat the same process again. For the coloring, I am using Spectrum Noir Illustrator and classic markers, but you can use any types of markers you have, just pick similar colors from your stash. Now let's color this cute girl with some girly crafty colors. I am starting with the robe. I will paint it with yellow color. I am marking the folding with a light brown marker, then I am continuing with golden yellow and blending it away with lighter and finishing with the lightest color. If it's needed, I am repeating the entire process for better contrast. I have used the same colors for the boots and the eye cover as well. Then I continued the outfit coloring with teal and pink coloring. For the hair, I decided to make brown hair with lighter shades. If you want to achieve this hair color look, use 4 shades which are not so close to each other for better results. In the end, I finished with the skin, which is a really basic color blend from pale skin colors. If you are thinking about what supplies I have used for this card, check the video description below. When the coloring part was done, my next step was the highlighting. First I have used white pencil, then I continued with white pigment pen to make them more eye-catchy and to pop the images out. When the highlighting process was done, I ran them through my mini die cutting machine, which is always next to me if I need to cut something small like this. After the die cutting, I created one die cut from Bristol Smooth cardstock with the Imperial stitched rectangles dies. Then I continued with ink blending the Zapp attack stencil. I want to create a rainbow background because we card makers just love the rainbows. Or especially I am in love with them. So first I have used lighter Distress Oxide ink pads in rainbow order in the following shades: Tumbled Glass, Cracked Pistachio, Twisted Citron, Squeezed Lemonade, Spun Sugar, and Shaded Lilac. When the light background was done, I turned the Zapp stencil a bit and I continued with the second layer through it. I have used peacock feathers, mauve lawn, fossilized amber, picked raspberry, and wilted violet Distress Oxide ink pads. The result is a pretty, high-contrasted, rainbow comic background. Now it's time to create the sentiments. I have created die cuts with the Hello Shadow Heffy Cuts dies, the thinner one from gold, and the shadow from white heavyweight cardstock. Next I stamped the sentiment to TEAL-ICIOUS cardstock from Heffy Doodle with the Superdudes stamp set and watermark ink. Then I heat embossed it with fine white embossing powder, then I cut it for the right size. Now my favorite part of the card making, the overthinking. Just kidding, the styling, but as you can see, I am able to overthink it. I added the ink blended background to its right place, then I styled all the colored images and die cut pieces together and added them with 3D foam squares and liquid adhesive to the right place. And this is the final result of this happy card. Hopefully it will brighten someone's day. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye!